guys, in this video we will test together some new eyeshadows by Essence, and when I saw these little cutie pies at the drugstore, I couldn't resist and I got both of them, and I got the Million Nude Faces eyeshadow box 1 Be Beautiful and the In Love with Rose eyeshadow box 2 and Happily Ever After. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started with the review. So I will use this palette for the tutorial. These are for my next review by Essence. So I will also add this little guy here in the pile of Essence products that I have never used before. So I will do some swatches for this one to see which colors also we are going to use. This is so beautiful. How pretty! I will also do some check-ins and a wear test about this little palette here because I am also reviewing the foundation that I have on, so I will do a check-in either way. So we will also see if these eyeshadows can last all day as they claim. So cute! Oh my god! Look at this shade! Uh-oh! Pigmentation alert! So we get 10 eyeshadows in this palette. What I like is that we have a variety of shimmer and matte eyeshadows, and we also have nice crease colors, nice brow bone highlighter. For those of you that you don't like shimmery eyeshadows for your brow bone highlighter, you've got this little guy here. But if you like shimmery eyeshadows like me for my brow bone highlighter, we also have this shade here. And we have at least 3 colors for crease colors, also some shimmery shades that they are very promising. So look at the swatches. As you can see, I'm not a professional eyeshadow swatcher, so I will do my brows off camera and then we will continue with the eyeshadows. I will link down below a video that I have done specifically for eyebrows. I will also use only drugstore brushes and affordable. So I will take this little cutie pie right up here. Oh, woohoo! That's pigmented! Loving it! I will apply a little bit on the other eye. Oh my god! This is brow bone highlighter times 100. Oh my god, this is too much. This is too much for brow bone highlighter. Oh my god! I didn't believe it would be so pigmented. The reason that I always apply my brow bone highlighter and then my crease color is because I always like to blend them together to make them look more natural on my eyes. I will take an eye blender brush also by Essence. I will take this one here. Okay, this is a little bit powdery as you can see. And I will also blend it into my brow bone because oh my god, my brow bone looks hilarious now. Okay, it needs more blending. So I will continue with a grayish brown color. It is a little darker than the previous one. I will place my brush in the outer corner of my eye and blend it towards my inner corner and then a little bit towards my brow bone. That blends very nice. So this shade is not as powdery as the other one. I will take another brush by BH Cosmetics. This is the 8. So I will take this reddish brown color. This is also a little powdery. And I will apply it on the outer third of my eye. Oh my god! This looks so beautiful! I'm so impressed. I will use an angled brush. This is also by the same set. It is the number 10 by BH Cosmetics, and I will take again the red brown shade all over my lower lash line. So I will clean my previous brush on a tissue. I will take the gold shade right here. Okay, that's beautiful. They blend so nice. I take again the same brush by Essence. I clean it on my tissue and then I will take this brown matte shade here. It is a dark brown color. And I will use it to define my outer corner and a little bit my hood so I can hide it. This eyeshadow is also powdery. I will also take the blending brush and the same shade, and I will apply it only in the outer crease of my eye. Easiest smoky eye ever. And I blend the color until the center of my eye, and then I also blend it outwards to elongate my eyes. So I will take my angle brush, I will take again the gold eyeshadow, and I will apply it in the inner lower lash line. I will take a small eyeshadow brush by BH Cosmetics, and this is, I think, number 9. As you can see, it is very small. So I will take this light color that we used in our crease. With the tip of the brush, I will take the product and I will blend my lower lash line. With the same brush, I will take the light champagne color that I have used for my brow bone. I will apply this in my inner corner. As you can see, my eyes are closer together, and I always like to use a lighter color in my inner corner to make them look like they are not so close together. We also don't have any fallout from the eyeshadows. So I will take the dark brown shade and I will line my eyes. Every time that you don't want to apply liquid eyeliner to your eyes, you can just take a darker shade and apply it very close to your lashes. This way you will make your lashes fuller. In my waterline, I will use a beige color. For mascara, I will use the Paradise Ecstatic by L'Oreal. Okay, so let's continue with the rest of our face makeup. I will use Essence products as well. For contouring, I will use the Get Picture Ready Contouring Palette by Essence in Get in Shape. I will take this blush brush by Essence and the light brown shade. And I always place my brush like this and I lift it up at the end of my eye, because on this area here I will apply my blush, and this way my features will look elevated and I will give a more youthful effect on my skin. My matte touch blush by Essence had an accident. I will use a similar brush by BH Cosmetics. This is number 3. And let's apply some blush and smile. I only apply it on the highest point of my cheeks, and I also blend it towards my contouring. If you feel that you want to blend a little better your contouring, you can take the light beige color that we have in the palette and blend it a little more. So for highlighting my cheekbones, I will use the lightest shade by the Eye and Face palette by Essence in Glow For It. I will use this fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics. This is number 5. Ooh, yeah. Okay. That looks amazing. I will blend everything with a big fluffy brush by Morphe with big circular motions, so we can make everything flawless. On my lips, I will apply lip liner in Wish Me a Rose. I will use it to outline and also fill in my lips. And on top of that, matte lipstick by Essence in Natural Kiss. So I will do my hair, and after that I will do the first check-in about the eyeshadows to see how they hold up and if we have any creases or if they lose the intensity of the color. So don't go anywhere and I will see you in just one sec. Hi guys, so it's been 4 hours and let's see what happened with our eyeshadows. The eyeshadows look exactly the same. They didn't crease, they didn't get in the fine lines, I don't have any fallouts, I didn't lose any color intensity. So I will see you in a couple of hours with the final wear test, and most likely I will try also to make it more night appropriate, so we will see if the eyeshadows are also buildable. Hi guys, so it's been 5 more hours and let's see what happened with our eyeshadows. So the eyeshadows are the same. I think they are not as intense as in the beginning, but you can still see, for example, the gold eyeshadow and the brown eyeshadows, and they look very nice. And I didn't have any fallouts. They didn't get in the fine lines of my crease. They didn't intensify any texture of my eyes, and actually I love them. If you can find this in your local drugstore, go and get it. It is very good. Let's see if we can also build the eyeshadows. I will take the darkest shade, which has some gold micro glitter in it, and I will apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. And I will blend it with my blending brush by BH Cosmetics. This is number 7. And on my eyelid I used the number 8. So the micro glitters that there is in this eyeshadow, I don't see them. I will apply this eyeshadow on the other eye as well, only in the outer corner, and also blend it a little outward. And let's take our blending brush. These brushes are actually very good. They are new from BH Cosmetics. I thought they would be a mess, but they're very good. I will apply the reddish brown shade in my outer crease. I will also apply again the gold eyeshadow to see if we lost any intensity. And we can see that it is more intense. We always lose intensity with blending eyeshadows, so this is not such a huge difference in the intensity. And yeah, these eyeshadows are very good, guys. We don't have any fallouts. That's very nice, especially if you want a palette for day to night makeup looks to have in your purse. This is very travel friendly. If it also had a mirror, it would be the perfect palette. So this looks very nice. This palette is one of the best eyeshadows that I have used by Essence, and I really like it. If you can find it in your local drugstore, go and get it, because I think it's limited edition. So that completes this video. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite product by Essence. If you found this video informative or entertaining, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!